install Office 2024 2024. Okay, for here first of all we required by some setups are required. For that we will go to this Google. We open as a browser. In the browser we search from as the Windows Office Customize tool. Okay, in the Windows Office Customize tool we have to go to Customize tool. They ask about what kind of OS you have to release it. For here Microsoft 365 app administrator centers are available. Here they given the product release, whether a computer having 32-bit operating system or maybe the 64-bit operating system, we want to install that. Whether if you having the 64-bit operating system, you have to select. Otherwise, 32-bit operating system, you have selecting from the 32-bit operating system. And what kind of the product you have to install in your computer, you have to define that one. For that, having that is a lot of versions are available. If you want to install from as a suppose we have that is a Office LTSC Professional 2024 are there, we have to select. And also some projects are there. Office Suite is available here. Visio is available. What kind of version have to be there, you have to utilize it. After the project, the additional product also have to be installed. After that we are selecting by the Office 2024 Preserve Enterprise will be there. We selecting by the latest version. Okay, by latest version we select, okay, able to select from the latest version. Otherwise you can select from a specific version also. Next, what are the application to be done to be installed on here? What are the things you are required on by the basic things, you can be enabled here. Once it is enabled, this particular the thing had download from as the online. Once it will be completed on the apps, we'll go to the next one. What kind of language you have to require here? Already there is all the languages available. What are the language you have to require here? You can able to use the particular language. Suppose government is the English with the UK, or we have the government is the English with the United States. Once select that one, whether additional languages are required, you can select from whether it is the full languages. And depending upon the users, if you not require that one, please skip this one. Okay, when you come to downstream window, you can able to go to next option. Okay, click with the next option. Here ask about that is whether if you want to deploy the Office form as the whether the content networks are there or local networks. Otherwise, you go from as a Windows endpoint configuration management or not. First click from whether it is the Office with the deliver node. Click from as a local path. Local path me you can give them as Office connections are required. Otherwise, give them as a normal setup, default B setup. Then you have to ask about the update. When I give them as a Microsoft endpoint configuration, here ask about by what you have to do. Previously, what are the Office installed that one? We have to be a previous version have to be a uninstall that one. Uninstall all, and newly what is the configuration is selecting by yours, you have to be configured. After that, here asking about the accepting by the license. Whenever I those license are available, either you can use from as the KMS or use from as the mark. Okay, when I go from as the MA key, what are the person I have to purchase from as license for that? The license can able to be a paste here. When I paste we have a license, can able to paste here. Otherwise, simply give them as the KMS. The KMS want to be enable the product for the temporarily is available. After that, simply click from as the next button, then compromise that is the product information. What kind of that is the computer names are there, what kind of office is there, can give from that is the office name. Office name can give, and also product configuration document also can give. Next, once it is complete here, can able to show here what are the things you have to be selecting by hours. All the formats are given. Simply go to the last window, we come to the bottom side window. Here I have to give here customized tools have to be completed on the finish window. What are the we are selecting by the customize, can able to come out from as the right identify for that general thing. What is the names you are given by here, the name will be displayed here. Home, and also in the product information what is selecting by 64-bit, and office, and what kind of the versions are there, update version, latest one, and also what are they have to be included on that one, exclude one also have to mention. Language give them as the full, and also what is the language selecting that one, everything can show here. Once it is completed by all, okay, simply click from as the export option. When I click from as the export option, here they'll ask about whether you want to keep from as the content file format in the current setting. Otherwise, go from as the Office open XML format or not. So mostly nowadays available on that is the Office compromise the open XML format only available. So select from as the Office open XML format. Click with the OK. Once click with the OK, he automatically going to configure by export from as the configuration. What are the configurations set from as here? They convert into the XML file format. Okay, one click from as the accept button. They ask about the file name. The file name given as the configuration.xmls are available. Click them as export. While giving the export, defaultly compromise that is the download files are available. Download file. Suppose if you want to change the file, if you want to go to the separate file for that, you can able to cut here. Suppose in our computer having desktop, create a message on folder for here on folder. One folder compromise that is the Office 2020. Office 2024 be created. You can able to paste the particular folder here for a particular file. Then we have to go to one more options are required. Compromise the Windows. We have compromise the deployed. Windows Office deployment tools are required. When I compromise the Office deployment tool, here they want to give a small setup will become here. You go from here. Office deployment tools are there. Selecting my language as the English. Just click from download. Once downloaded, wherever the files are available, please have to be as to move the file to the wherever your folders are available. Now, okay, our everything is be completed here. Now we want to be as the run this one. For the run here, we want to click from that is the Office deployment. Once click from as the Office deployment, click from yes. Here they ask about by some service administrative tools are there. What are they accepting? We ask. Once click by accept and click continue. Where we are saving this particular the folder with the configuration file, wherever is there, you need to select the particular folder. Click with OK. Once it is click with the OK, having the files having extracted successfully is there. So you can able to see here configuration Office 365.x64 will be there, and after having the setup will be there. Now this all the file you can able to move to into the our C drive. Okay, in the C drive already having some folders are there, so I can able to give them as some name. Okay, Office demo. I am creating by the file name as the Office demo. Now this file I have to move to this my C drive. Once go to the my C drive, I have to paste here. Now the Office demo is there. Suppose you want to run this one, what you'll do here, go to the corresponding folder, go from as the command prompt. Either go with this particular prompt or go from as the command prompt. Okay, with having is the administrator mode. Run having the administrator mode, you have to run. You can able to see here that having it is a basic terminal become here, cd backslash, come to the file, then I come from as cd office, then demo 24. You can go here. Now what you do here, you check the file. We have in the file having setup is there, configuration.xml is there. For here you want to run here setup, a setup space less than configure, then having the configuration.xml. Configuration.xml you can click now. If it is there is no error, automatically have to be a start with downloading the file with one window will be there. I can stop here. I can able to receive one perform as the after the completion process. Okay. Once started, we got from as the we getting to things ready. Then I'll downloading the all the file. This file cannot possible to complete it. Okay. Once starting this particular one, you can able to see whether you want to start downloading the process. Once start downloading the process, we can easily to install and by this Office 2024 or use from as the Office 365 is very easily. You can see here. Once start the process, you can able to load on by the Microsoft window icon will become here. Then I have to be as a downloading all the file. It's occupying the our memory places also. We already having 51 GBs are available. Once start downloading, it have to be occupied with the 5 GB data on my C drive. Wherever my drives are there now, you can able to occupy here. Once started, you have to stop here. Once it is completed now, how it's look like I can also show here, because in my system already it is a Office 2024 be installed. Okay, how we can able to see now, go to this the control panel and go to this the programming file. You can see here that Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 with the English US English are installed. Automatically as the project having it is the Professional 2024 English version also available. So I couldn't possible to install that one. Simply I have to be a configure that one whether it is the loading or not. When I having loading here, it is still downloading the mode. Once start completing the entire downloading, yes, you can be able to come here. Okay, now what you'll do here, this start the process. Now what you'll do here, I can able to close here. Okay, I once close it. Okay, I had to close this one. Already my 2024 already there, so I couldn't possible to continue here. I can able to stop here. Okay, for the stopping, I had to be close this end task. Okay, once it be completed, Once it is completing entire process now, type them as the Microsoft Office. It look like as the Office LT is available. You can able to see on from as the whether the Microsoft Office 2024 enabled or not. Go to the account option. You can able to see here. In this one, it is showing by that is the old key versions are available, but our GUI had to be modified in the 2020. Okay, thank you.